Ever dreamt of owning one of those stunning homes you see on HGTV's Renovation Aloha? Well, stick around to really find out what the price tag is. Let's start from the outside and then move on inside. Now, from the outside, what you're gonna first notice is this beautiful view right behind me. We've got Pearl Harbor. You can see all the ships out there, and it's a beautiful Pearl City day. Now, it can get a little warm out here, so keep that in mind, but we do have a nice breezy day. And as you can see on the outside, we have this lanai so that on those lovely evenings or in the early mornings when you're having your coffee, you can take in that stunning view. Now let's take a look at what they've got going on the inside, because it's pretty amazing. Now, the Renovation Aloha team, what I really love about their designs is they maintain the charm of the original structure, but give it a modern twist. So as you'll see, we'll have the original vaulted ceilings. They've been whitewashed, which keeps a really nice, clean look. You do have lots of natural light coming into this space. And again, just kind of echoed with those vaulted ceilings, just feeling very spacious. And additionally, they've upgraded everything from the lights, as well as having split ACs, because it does get pretty warm out here. And just little things that I notice that I really appreciate is, even though they're vaulted ceilings and generally it's very difficult to put any kind of clean lighting, you'll actually notice that they do have canned lights, and I'm not even sure how they did this. It looks like maybe they framed it in there, but you have lighting coming right on top of the rafters, which is a very nice touch. One of many things that I love about this house, but more specifically what the HGTV Renovation Aloha team do, is that they really focus on design. And it really feels like an HGTV property, where they don't just get the standard white shaker cabinets that we see a lot of the flips or a lot of these renovators are doing. You'll see that they have a lot of touch when it comes to color, how they match and how they mesh together. For example, we have two different countertops. This could, in one person's mind, think, oh, that's kind of messy, but you can see it all matches from the white to the white backsplash. And then having the brown colored countertops here that match the brown cabinets here. And then the green color that really brings in all the lush greenery that we see on the outside, at least on those winter days when it's not too hot and none of the grass is too much burned. But nonetheless, this property, especially the kitchen, is really wide open, gives a lot of space. You get views of Pearl City all the way across from all those windows, bringing in all that natural light. All in all, this is be a beautiful kitchen to cook in and just enjoy with your family. Now, I'm just realizing I didn't even give you guys the specs to this property. So this has 2,000 living square footage sitting on a 6,000 square foot lot. So you have some nice backyard space. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's got quite a bonus that I haven't seen in a very long time that we're gonna check out at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around. With that being said, let's take a look at some of these stunning bedrooms and bathrooms. As we walk into this beautiful master bedroom, one thing that you will notice is, of course, we've got the view over in the general living area, but in the master, you get a picture framed photo of Pearl Harbor, which is absolutely stunning. But of course, that's not the best part. There's many things that are the best part for this property, but the ensuite is pretty all time. Check this out. Once again, one thing that these guys really pay attention to is design. They didn't just put smack things together, random paint color, random cabinets. There's a lot of complementary work when it comes to the design. And one thing that I really, really like is that wallpaper is really coming back. It creates a different experience in each bedroom that you go in. And they added that to the bathroom, which can be somewhat of a challenge when you want to waterproof it. And as you can see here, this does seem to be wallpaper and creating that experience, but it's actually waterproof because it is tile. And again, on that theme of continuity or complementary work and design, they've actually brought that into the bathroom as well, or into the shower. Now, I told you there was a surprise, and it's definitely a surprise. So let's check out what they have downstairs. When it comes to designing a home or renovating a home, colors are important. But what's more important is taking advantage of every square inch. And what could just be wasted space, you can see what they've turned it into is, again, another experience, a place for you to enjoy with your family and actually watch the game or enjoy a movie, which could, again, be an office or just wasted space, but they took advantage of every square inch. I wish there was a projector or remote right now, because I really could catch up on my Love Island episodes, but I guess we'll just have to wait for that. Well, that pretty much wraps up our $1 million listing. If you have any questions about this property or any properties out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Patrick with PatrickWallingRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.